Every last tip we provide on making money online is top-notch. There are a lot of people out there who want to make some money by working online. Tons of opportunities exist, but many require payment in order to learn more. This video will teach you how to separate the scams from the legitimate opportunities. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. Offer to advertise for others. Website advertising is how most make money online. If you have a blog that is popular, there are advertisers that will want you to put their ad on your site. The ad sends readers to another site where they can buy goods or other services. If you are looking to make a few extra bucks online but don't want an actual job, you could always fill out surveys. Many researchers offer a couple of dollars for filling out surveys for them. Some companies will pay you via PayPal while others will send you a check. Many people make good money online by flipping domain names. You can find trending keywords by using Google AdWords. Use these keywords to create domain names that you feel will soon be popular. If these are in short supply, you may do well simply creating acronyms at random. When a person seeking that acronym attempts to create a website, your domain name for sale will pop up. With the information you have gained from this video, you can target legitimate online work. This will help you begin to put some extra cash in your pocket. Many people are able to quit their day jobs and work solely online. Remember what you have learned here as you implement your online money-making plan. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.